So yesterday I gathered up all of my Charlotte Tilbury products and shared them with you. So today I'm going to put them on. I'm going to just go ahead and begin with eyes as usual. And I'm going to use my Magic Away in the color number 3. I think the lid becoming tough to get on and off is a phenomenon, probably from shutting the container while it still has product on the fluffy part. I was sticking this brush down here in the lid to see if there was product in there and perhaps I could make it easier to open and close. I do not know. I'm just going to go ahead and stop playing. I like this a lot as a eyeshadow primer. Today I'm going to try it as a under eye concealer. Well, I'll go ahead and try that. And I'm going to take this brush and buff it out. It's a Real Techniques. Get it smooth. Ooh, it sets up quick. I've forgotten that. I haven't used this in a while. I don't know why. I guess it got shuffled to the bottom of my stuff. I need my finger so I can move it around and perhaps wipe off some of the excess. All right, there we go. All right, the eyes are primed. Magic Away by Charlotte Tilbury, liquid concealer. And I used the number 3, which is called Fair Pale. I'm going to pull out the Stars in Your Eyes palette. I have this thing that I like to keep the boxes. I don't know why. All right, there's the palette. I'm not sure what direction I want to go. I'm going to take a flat shader brush. I've been enjoying the look I've been doing with a real shiny pinky nude lid. Smells good. That's the Lavender Fix Plus. So I'm going to take the color Happy Eyes. Oh, it's copper. It's not really where I meant to go. But we're just going to keep moving ahead as if that's what I meant to do. It'll be pretty. And I'm using a wet brush. I'll show you which one I'm using. It's from the 3 that have the Happy Eyes, is what she named this little trio, in this Stars in Your Eyes kit, palette. It's not that shiny, is it? It is when you first put it on. Maybe if you keep swiping on it, it brings down the metallic. So there's something for you to consider. If you don't want it real metallic, keep buffing it down. I have another Charlotte Tilbury product. Let me go get that. It's something Heather sent me. I forgot about it yesterday when I was... It's in my pencil bag for my kit. Okay, you have to admit, even though I have a lot of stuff, a lot of times I know where to find it. All right, I'll show you this in just a minute. All right, now what are we gonna put in the... Oh, I want something bright on the inside corner. I'm going to take the champagne one from Power Eyes and put it in the front. I've really been liking that peachy nudie pink from the Tom Ford Disco Dust with the green in the front. All right, there we go. And then I'll put this here to make them. And then I want I don't know where this came from. This is really nice. I don't know what kit this came out of, do y'all? I want something in the crease out here. I'll wait on that. I'm going to take this pencil. It's from Charlotte Tilbury. It's called the Classic Eye Powder Pencil in the color, make a smoky lash line. I want to keep that in tight. I just want the lash line to be smoky. So I'm keeping it down close. There. Now let's do this one. I darkened up that lash line, and that's all I wanted to do. Let's put some... I don't have a Charlotte Tilbury brow pencil, so I'll use a color from the shadow kit. This is from the Happy Eyes. The the browniest brown in here. And this is a E06 from Sigma. I haven't pulled anything out yet that's not Charlotte Tilbury, right? This color is a good bit warmer than what I usually use for my brows. Alright, we're just going to leave that alone until I get to the foundation portion. I'm going to take my flat brush and I'm going to spray it again. And I see a bronzy color in here from the Power Eyes. I'm going to use that in the front. That makes more of a statement than that champagne. And then I flipped it over and I'm blending. I'm going to take that same brown that I used in my eyebrows. This is the same brush I was using in the brows. I'm just softening that pencil I used earlier. Evidently what she intended it for, because it softens easily. Let's do some mascara. I'm going to try full fat lashes. I have the Legendary Lash in a full size, but I like this name better because I like full fat lashes. I'm doing up and down like this because I want to get the tips, the tops and the bottoms of the tips, because the tips of my lashes are like see-through. It's super hot outside. We walked to the river again this morning. I had a viewer want me to take the camera with me. It was too hot to take the camera. Our windows were steamed up when I got up this morning. On the outside, not the inside. Because there's not enough moisture on the inside of the house to steam up the windows, because we were in the air conditioner. It takes the humidity out. But anyway, it was really hot and humid. Both Pat and I were pooped by the time we got back. And yeah, we got back in time. This is Sunday when I'm filming this. We got back in time to watch our church service online. And the pastor brought up the movie Midway. Have any of y'all seen that? Midway? Sounds good. And it kind of pertains to the book I'm reading now, the Winston Churchill. I need some more underneath my eyes. I'm going to take a pencil brush. Did push-ups yesterday and my shoulders are tired. I'm going to take Happy Eyes and drag that down. Yeah, I like it. That's the medium lip pencil, Pillow Top lip sheet. This is the Amethyst Aphrodisiac Color Chameleon. I think I could put that on my waterline. I think it would stick. It wouldn't float around in my eyes because it sets up really fast. That black pencil may have looked good in my brows. This is the only matte. There's a matte cream that's in the first trio in this palette, in the Love Eyes trio. Let's do face, and we'll come back to eyes if we need to. I'm going to use the Healthy Glow. I swear I have two of these. I don't know where the other one is. I put the Healthy Glow on all over. The camera overheated, but I just kept moving. And I put the Hollywood Flawless filter right here and down the center of my nose and on my Cupid's bow. And I put the foundation, which I have too light of a color, all over. And now that you've seen it, I'm going to wipe it off. And I used my Charlotte Tilbury foundation brush. It's not shedding this time. It's making a liar out of me. Let me see if... No, it is. I have hairs all over my face. Yeah, I just didn't see them before because their white hairs colored the color of the foundation. I don't have any Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. I know, that was her latest release, so I just don't have any. Let's see if I can find a bronzer in here. I'm going to use the Havana that I used yesterday. Yeah, I'm going to use the Line Cone Havana. I actually have another idea. I'm going to use the NARS Lovejoy. And I'm going to take I washed all my brushes yesterday, like I told you. And I'm going to take my Real Techniques blush brush. And I'm going to use Lovejoy as my bronzer contour. Wow, that is really pretty. To get in there good. I bought Lovejoy back when I was a big Flower Bomb fan. She did a few things that made me go. I mean, I still like her. She doesn't get on my nerves. When I watch her, I don't have to yell at her. And I can finish watching the whole video. I mean, I still like her. She just did a few things that made me. Of course, I'm sure I do a few things that make y'all go. All right, that added color, and this is Lovejoy. I think I'm gonna put some on my brow bone. And then I'm going to use my only blush that I have from Charlotte Tilbury. It's called Love is the Drug. I'm going to take the middle part, the pop, put it right there in the center. And I'll take the swish, and I'm going to take it along my up here. I'm going to put some pop across my nose. I might need some pink on my lid to make my, let's just leave it alone. All right, I need some highlight. I'm going to take the champagne from How Are Eyes, put it there. I'm using this one. That one. So it's on the end of my nose, Cupid's bow, the arch of my brow. So I don't have any brow products from Charlotte Tilbury. The airbrush finishing powder. So let's do some of that. I'll get a clean brush so we won't. This is a Sonia Kashuk and it's clean. I washed it yesterday. And this is the airbrush Flawless. I touched my face right there with the glitter stuff. I do have a lip liner by Charlotte Tilbury. So let's use that. It's the medium pillow top. Let's look at some of these colors I wouldn't normally use. I'm not going to use Love Liberty, although it would make my teeth look really white. I am going to use, and that's my Kim KW that I really love. That one's super pretty. This one's called Blushing Dream. Super pretty. Love it. All right, let's have another, All right, let's put the Legendary lash over the full fat lash. Isn't that fun? It's got eyeballs on it. I'm gonna put that on. The reason I didn't buy the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer is because the day that I was in the mood for buying bronzer, I was at the Ulta, and they don't have Charlotte Tilbury at my Ulta. I don't know if they have it at any Ulta. And so I got what they had, which was the Bare Minerals. Oh, here's my nails. These are, what is it called? I don't know. I'll put the brand of the pink. It's a Walmart thing. It's not LA Colors. It's Sinful Colors. The pink. And it's not Vroom. I can't remember what it's called, but I'll put it right here. And the other one, the green one, is Deborah Lippmann Mermaid Dream with dots in the pink color on it. And then the pink has the Mermaid Dream dots. All right, I had fun making this look for you. Leave in the comments what brand you want me to collect all up and share with you, and then we'll do a look with that. And if all of that's boring, then you come up with something entertaining. Ta-ta.